Do you want to get as much as up to 95% off when you buy your hosting from Hostingr? Then this is the right time of the year to grab this. What you have to do to buy your hosting from Hostingr is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link to buy your hosting from Hostingr, you will be landed to a page like this. Now here you can see that when you buy your hosting from Hostingr, you can get as much as up to 85%. But stay with me, I will tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% off when you click on the link in the description and follow the tutorial as I say and use either of the coupon code mentioned in this process. So now what I like about Hostingr is they got amazing reviews on Trustpilot. Now Trustpilot is an industry's independent review website, and if you look around on the reviews, 55,000 reviews, 4.7 ratings, amazing reviews. Almost everyone praises them for their services, which I like regarding Hostingr. They got amazing reviews. So if you scroll above, another good thing regarding is that they offer you 30 days money back guarantee, and simply select the claim deal over here to grab amazing discount from Hostingr. 30 days money back guarantee, 24/7 support, and you have an option to cancel anytime. Now you can see you're getting up to 85% off on premium business plan and 73% off on cloud setup. And I will tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% off on premium business plan. Plus you can get 10% additional discount on cloud setup. So you can use either of the plan. So do your research and simply select the choose plan with any of the plan after doing your research. So once you select this, now you will be moved to another page to further buy your hosting from Hostingr. And right now you can see the huge deals on 48 months is running on Black Friday deals. So my recommendation is to go with 48 months plan to buy your hosting from Hostingr, because this is where you can save maximum amount of money, but you can select other monthly billing periods as well. But if you select 24 or 12 months, you are not getting as much discount as possible over here. Right now you're getting free domain, 3 extra months. You can see over here the original price 621 and going down to 93 with 48 months plan, 3 extra months free, no additional cost, free domain, free setup, free domain privacy protection. Now you can see your subtotal over here, and now select the have a coupon code to buy, and you can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply select the apply over here, and you're going to get additional 10% already running discount deal. So 85% plus 10% up to 95%. Now there is another coupon code as well, so you can use either of the coupon code to buy your hosting from Hostingr. So let's say you're going with an HR, so you can use either of the coupon code to buy. So you can see additional 10% over here, and if you want to get a free domain, you can get it later on as well, but you can write over here. And your 30 days money back guarantees, you can see your sign over here. So for instance, if I want to get, again this is showing you just one example, but let's say this is an example. So you can say getting it free for the first year, so grab it for the first year for free. So select it for the first year, and you can see your summary over here. You can see summary over here as well. So you're not being charged for the domain, coming free. Again, this is an optional thing. Now move on to the continue over here. You may be asked to log into your account or create your new account at Hostingr. After this, you can see your summary over here before you finally plan to buy your hosting. Now write your billing details over here, and after this move on to the continue to finally buy your hosting from Hostingr. And before you buy, I want to tell you few things regarding Hostingr, and this is what I like, not few things but a single thing, and that is selecting payment method. Hostingr offers you variety payment method, guys. You can buy your hosting with credit card, you can buy from PayPal, you can buy from Google Pay, you can buy from Apple Pay, you can buy from Alipay Plus, you can buy from CoinGate. So guys, they offer you variety payment methods to choose to buy your hosting from Hostingr, and this is what I like regarding Hostingr, that you can pay via any payment method, and the process is very easy. So once you pay it, once you buy it, within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hostingr, and you can start running your web hosting. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to buy your hosting from Hostingr. I've been using it from the last 4 years, and my experience so far is very good, and I highly recommend you guys to grab your hosting from Hostingr. Again, they offer you a variety of payment methods to choose on. You can pay via anyone, and the process was quick and easy. And good luck with the hosting from Hostingr, and enjoy it, because I've been using it from the last 4 years on my own blog, and my experience so far is very good, which is why I'm here with a special offer for my audience to grab it and get your hosting from Hostingr. So good luck with the hosting from Hostingr, specifically with this Black Friday deals. Good luck.